Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing an open source CRM software. The software is called Perfect CRM. What is Perfect CRM? It's a self-hosted customer relationship management software that is a great fit for almost any company, freelancer, or many other users. With its clean and modern design, Perfect CRM can help you look more professional to your customers and help you improve performance at the same time. All right. So what this software really does is it help a company or freelancer to manage their day-to-day task. It make you look professional for your customers. If you're a freelancer or company, using this software is going to make you look professional instead of managing your customer manually. But this software will help you solve all your daily tasks with many features like customers. Okay, so this particular customer interface, it has a portal where your customer can sign up and log in to access your CRM. So it's going to help you manage your customers and their contacts, and it's going to help you to set up a proper permission for your customers. Another features is invoice. So it allows you to keep track of your invoice and generate reports, and it allows you to add different currencies using multiple currencies to allow by previously set up your customer currency. The first, the invoice has a different task based on the item. So another feature is also recurring invoice. So let's assume you you want to start collecting like a monthly fee from your customers. So with this recurring invoice, so you can automatically charge your customers the amount of money you want them to pay instead of asking them every month that you need to pay me my fee. So once you set up a recurring invoice, so and if the customer is going to be aware that the invoice they receive is a recurring invoice, so they are going to be charged automatically. It might be a weekly invoice or a monthly or yearly, so they are going to be debit from their bank or from their debit card automatically. So that's how recurring invoice work. So another features is recurring expenses. Creating re- recurring expenses set up a recurring expenses, and the expenses will automatically be recreated after the specific period. The period could be days, week, month, or years. So another features is estimate. It create an estimate within a minute and send it to your customers and wait for your customer to accept it. There's also a space to add a note for better organization for your next actions. And it also creates reminders, ability to auto convert the estimates to invoice after customer accept it. So another features is proposal. So this software allow you to create a good looking proposal for leads, customer, and also increase sale. So imagine if you are trying to create a proposal for your clients or customers. So instead of doing it manually, going to Microsoft Office to create a proposal or using uh, Microsoft suite to create a proposal. So this software also has a feature for you to create a proposal, and within within the proposal you can also add your invoice or recurring invoice to it, and you're going to send it to their email. Another features is online payments. So you can embed payments from PayPal, Stripe, Molly authorized to check out, even though your local payment gateway like Paystack, Flutterwave, PayU, and Braintree. So it support unlimited payment gateway inside of it. And another features again is project. So it help you manage projects and track time on project of staff member, record project expenses and invoice, and pay your client faster. Here is another features again called milestone. So you can use this software to create a milestone for your project and track time based on milestone. Ability to drag and drop between milestones. So I'm sure you all know how milestone works. Let's assume maybe your clients or your customer is about to give you a project, and some client might not pay you once, so they might like create a milestone. Maybe once you finish this section, okay, your client can divide the project into like 10 sections. Each sections, maybe they're going to be paying you small amount of money till you complete the, till they complete the payment. So that is how milestone works. So another features is leads. Leads or potential clients are really important part of any company. Every company tries every day to get new lead. Very often, some potential clients call and ask for a specific service that your company serve, and then sometimes this is forgotten. So with this CRM, you will never forget your potential clients, and you'll be able to manage all of them in one place, keep track of lead in one place, and easily follow their progress. Ability to auto import from email, add notes, and create proposal. Organize your lead in stages and change stages easily with drag and drop. Ability to auto import lead from email and web to lead forms. Import lead from CSV file included. Here is another feature, web to lead form. So this CRM has an inbuilt form that allow you to create a form inside of it. So once you create the form, you can use the form to like set up a campaign, like an opt-in. So once you send that form, or once you use that form to create an opt-in, so your clients can start opting. Maybe you are trying to do a campaign on maybe Facebook, on the Google ad. So with the web to lead form, so your client can sign up and opt in to your forms. Another features here is contract. Inside the CRM, you can add new contracts based on your clients. Adding contract is very simple. You can set a start date and end date and have a clear view of all your company contracts in one place. You won't need anyone to search for your desk document, create PDF contracts, and send them to your customer. With perfect CRM, contact overdue reminder is available. Here is another feature, is the ticket. This ticket support system with auto response, private ticket staff notes, tickets assignments, attachment predefined, reply, insert knowledge base. Okay, so what this ticket does is, from your customer dashboard, if they have any inquiry to make, so with this ticket they can send you an email via the ticket if they want to contact you. So they can lay their complaints through the ticket, and you're going to receive the ticket via a notification. Another features is the department. So the department is, so from the admin section, so the admin can create an account for their staff. Maybe you run a big company and you have different departments, so you can decide to like divide your define your task, maybe as a web designer or a digital marketer. So you still have other staff that work for you. So you can create a sub account for your staff for them to manage your client. So that is how this particular feature works. Okay, so another feature is a custom feed. This custom feed can store an extra information for customer leads, ticket, invoice, complaints, estimate, and more. Here is another feature called staff reminders. Set up a staff reminder for staff member with ability to notify by email and built-in. Reminders are available for important features. Okay, here is another features, team styling without coding. So this team styling without coding allow you to like style your CRM, change the theme, change the color and the style. Another features is events. So it can help you schedule an event, and it also has reminder and notification. Another features is easily organize the admin menu. So if you don't like the way the default admin menu is, so you can reorganize them. And here is another features: email templates, staff roles and permission, goal tracking, personal to-do list, staff staff task, recurring task, survey, reports, knowledge base, media library, auto backup, database, sensitive data encrypted, server-side data table responsive, Google reCAPTCHA, action hooks, activity logs, track all staff activities and flexibility. Okay, so enough of this feature. Let me just take you around this software and see how it looks like. So here is the sales page of this software. As you can see, as, like I told you, this CRM is a popular CRM. As you can see from here now, so the CRM already gather about 21,018 sales. So that means people, companies, and freelancer, they are going for the CRM. So as a freelancer or a company, you need to get this software. So it make your life easier. So let me show you the features. So these are the features it has. Okay, all right. Enough of these features. Now let me show you how to set up this software. Okay, so if you are interested in this software, you see the amount the developer is selling it. So I'm going to be selling it with all the add-on, and it's going to be cool. All right, I'm going to show you how to install this software. So right now I'm going to log into my cPanel. Okay, so I'm inside my cPanel right now. I'm going to scroll down and create my database. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Okay, so at this stage, I'm going to tick all privileges and copy the username and database name. I'm going to scroll down and click on next step. Okay, so I'm done creating my database. Let me go back to my cPanel. And right here, right now, I'm going to upload my file to cPanel. So inside your file manager, you need to locate the domain, the root domain you need to install your software. So you might decide to install the software inside your subdomain or inside your public HTML. But inside this video, I'm going to install the software inside my subdomain, which is scripts.timidirabbare.com. So here is it. So I need to delete this folder. Okay. So for you to get this software, go to the description of this video. So you are going to see a link there. So click on that link. So the link is going to redirect you to where to download the software. So just be assured the software is not free. So you are going to pay money for it. Okay. So right now, let me go to my folder. I already have this software inside my laptop. So let me open the folder. So here is the software. I'm going to double click on the software now. Once you download this software, after paying for it, so the software is going to be a zip file. So what you need to do is to extract this software. You remove it from a zip file. So I'm going to extract it now. Okay. Once you extract this software, you're going to see the folder, and inside that folder, the folder is going to contain two folder. So this this particular one with perfect 3.1.5 is the one you're going to upload, and the second folder here contains the add-on. So this add-on is like a plugin for the functionality of the software. As you can see now, if you buy this CRM for the source from the source, it's not going to come with all this add-on. So look at the amount you're going to buy the CRM here. It costs $65 from the source, and it's not going to come up with all this CRM. You need to pay for this add-on. But here I'm going to add all this add-on to the price I'm going to charge you. So let's count the add-on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. As you can see, so this add-on come with this 124 add-on that I'm going to add to the software. Remember, If you buy the software from the source, it's not going to come with any add-on. It's just going to come with only the software. But here I'm going to add this add-on for you. This add-on is 124 add-on. You're not going to see this anywhere. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to open this Perfect 3.15 and this particular folder that says Perfect CRM. We are going to zip it. This is the particular one we need to upload to our file manager. So I'm going to zip it right now. Because if I don't zip it, I won't be able to upload it. So I need to zip it and extract it inside our server. Okay, so I'm going to rename this zip file to upload this, because most of you, once you buy this software, so you're always confused, you don't know the particular one to upload. So I've renamed it to upload this so that you can know this is the particular file to upload. So let me go back to my file manager. So this is the root domain I want to upload this software. Don't forget, I'm going to upload it inside my subdomain script.temidjarabai.com. So this is where I'm going to upload it. So right now I'm going to click on upload and I'm going to select file. Okay, so here is the file I want to upload. Okay, I'm done uploading the file. So let me refresh my. Okay, so here is the file. I'm going to unzip it now. So anytime you upload a zip file, once you come back to your root domain, you need to unzip it for you to be able to have access to the files inside the zip file. So I'm going to extract it now. Okay, so I'm going to delete this zip file because it's of no use again. Okay, so here I'm going to open this folder and select everything inside this folder. I'm going to move it from this folder to my root domain. So I'm going to delete this folder because everything is empty inside this place. I've already moved the folders inside. The subfolder have been moved to my root domain. So I'm going to delete this. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do now. So there's what I need to explain to you. So anytime you are installing a software like this, so anytime you see an install folder, so there's no need for you to go to your PHP admin and start uploading the database, because inside this install folder, it already contains the database. So what you just need to do is to open a new tab and call out your domain, that particular domain you want to install your software. So this is the domain I want to install the software. So just type in your domain name, if it's .com, .net, and after that you will now put splash install. Why are we putting this splash install? Because of this install folder. So this install folder has the database. Okay, so as you can see here now, I'm going to install it. I'm going to press enter. Hope you can see now. So once I click on enter, so it's going to take me to this page, and all these PHP requirements they're asking for, I meet up with this PHP requirement. That is why the result is green. If I don't meet up with the requirement, so some of these features might highlight red, but I meet up, my server meet up with this requirement. So right now I'm going to go down and I'm going to go to I'm going to click on go to file folder permission. So let me scroll down again. If I meet up, okay, so I'm able to meet up with requirements. So the results are, they are highlighted in green, and the next step is to set up database. Okay, so don't forget I created my database earlier, and I'm going to use the details I used in creating my database to fill in this this form. So here the request for my database name, I'm going to copy my database name and paste it inside. So for everything to be easier for me, I make my database name and username to be the same thing. Here is it. And the next thing is to copy my database password and paste it inside here. So once you are done, you click on check database. Okay, so everything look fine. Right here, I'm going to create my admin login. They're asking for admin details. So you put your first name and put your last name. So you can put anything you feel like putting there. But for me, I'm going to put my first and last name there. So I'm going to put my password. Don't forget, this is going to be the password you're going to be using to access the backend. So let me use the database password. You can use any password of your choice. So I just feel like using the database password, okay? So I'm going to set my time zone. I'm in Nigeria. I'm going to choose Africa, Lagos. Okay. All right. So once you are done, you click on install. As you can see, the installation is successful. Right here, So the software is telling me to delete the install directory. So what this means is they're telling me to delete this folder, this install folder. If not, if I don't delete it, I will not be able to access the front end. So let's try. Let me try to access the front end. As you can see, so there's an error when I enter when I try to access the front end. They're telling me to delete the install folder. So I'm going to go back to my file manager and delete the install folder. Okay, I've deleted the install folder. Let me refresh my front end again. As you can see now, I'm able to access my front end. So this particular front end is for your client. Okay, so this particular link is where your clients are going to be able to access your platform, your portal, or your CRM. So as the admin, so this is the link for the admin to access the backend. So I'm going to use this link to access the backend now. Okay, so I'm going to use the details I created earlier for the admin login. I'm going to use that same info to log into my admin backend. Okay, all right, so there's what I need to remind you. So this particular CRM is just once you pay once, you can use it unlimited times. If you go online, there are lots of companies offering CRM for freelancer and companies, and they charge them monthly subscription. Okay, so this particular software is not like that. Even though, as you can see, this software can even make you to be selling a subscription base for your customers or for your clients. So you can even start a business on this software. If you go online, if you okay, let's try and check different company that offer CRM for freelancers and company. Let me type top CRM providers for companies and freelancers. Okay, so let me choose this CPR. It's like they have the list of best CRM for small businesses in 2024. So we are going to look how their business model works. Okay, so the first one we see here is V Tiger. Okay, as you can see from this list on Zapier, best CRM for small businesses at a glance. Okay, look at their pricing. Like this V Tiger is all-in-one solution, highly customizable modules. They charge $12 per month. They charge their users $12 per month. So that means if you subscribe to V Tiger, if you want to be using them, they're going to be charging you $12 per month. Look at the second one, Flow Low. They charge their user $4.87. And look at another company here, Zoro CRM. They charge their user $20 per user. Oops, Spot. So these particular companies, they are very popular. And look at how much they charge their customers. They have a free plan and it, they have a $30 per month for their user. And just look at them. So these guys, they charge a monthly plan from their user. So the reason I'm comparing this other company with this software is that, so this particular software, once you buy it, there's no need for you to start paying any monthly subscription to the developer or anybody. So it's a one-time fee. Once you buy it, you can even start that same business those guys are starting. You get, you can start a SaaS business for your customers. So you too, you can even start a monthly subscription for your customers. You can start charging your customer like monthly subscription per use of your platform. Okay, so this is a very nice software. That is why we are seeing the sales here. The sales have total of 21,018 sales alone. So that means the software is very powerful. As a freelancer or companies, you need to get this software. If you are not getting this, if you don't have this software, you are just taking your business backward, because your business will not look professional to your customers or client at all. Okay, so let me log in with the details of the admin I created earlier. So I'm going to input my email here. Don't forget I use the my database password. So here is it. Login. As you can see now, so this is how the admin dashboard looks like. This is how the admin dashboard looks like. You can even customize the admin dashboard. If you think everything that is shown there is they are too much, you can go to the dashboard option and like untick it. Once you untick it, it's going to disappear. Get, so you can customize the backend to your taste. Okay, so all the add-on I show you, if you want to install it, just come to setup and you scroll up to your, go to module. So this is where to upload the module. So the module is just like when you are installing a WordPress plugin. So just you choose the module you want to install. Once you choose it, you click on install, and the module is going to install successfully. So that is how it works. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. So I don't want to talk much on the admin dashboard because of the video. So I don't want the video to be too long. So I want it to be short. Okay, so let me log out from the admin dashboard and check out the the client dashboard. So here I don't have any. Okay, so I think it's the admin that needs to create login details for the user. So let me go back to the admin dashboard and create login for my user. So for you to see how the user dashboard looks like. Okay, I think as the admin, you need to install the SaaS module before you can allow customer to register on the platform. So let me go back to the modules. Okay, the add-on. So I think there's an add-on for SaaS. Let me search for it. Okay, so here is the add-on. So this particular add-on, this SaaS powerful multi-tenancy module for perfect CRM. So once you install this add-on, so with that, you're able to create an account for your users. So that is when this particular login is going to be working. Okay, so I'm not going to be going much on the review. So this is all that is all about the perfect CRM software. Okay, so and this is going to be the end of this video. If there's any question you need to ask, so just comment on the video. I'm going to give you feedback. Okay, and if you want to buy the software, just click on the link on the description of this video. All right, guys, so you are going to see me in my next video. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video to your friends. All right,